Hello friends and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I will show you how to download, open and run pre-written project codes using TIA Portal S7-PLCSIM and Vinc Flexible software. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you to simulate and test your PLC projects easily. To download and run the provided project codes in your virtual PLC SIM, follow these steps, assuming you have already installed TIA Portal S7-PLCSIM and Vinc Flexible software on your PC. You will receive zipped project files for each specific project. For example, project number 1 includes HMI zip and TIA PRJ ZAP16. This video will show opening project number 1 files using PLC SIM and Vinc Flexible software and executing or testing the project. First, locate the 2 files downloaded from Udemy for project number 1 on your PC. I will now show you how to open the code, download it to your virtual PLC and run it. The first file, HMI ZAP, is for Vinc Flexible, and the second, TIA PRJ 16, is for TIA Portal PLCSIM. Let's extract and use these files. Launch TIA Portal. Click Open Existing Project. Assuming that you have already downloaded the TIA Portal file and the HMI folder, let's go ahead and launch the TIA Portal. Launch TIA Portal, select TIA PRJ 16 and open it as shown in the video. Define a folder for extraction. Select project number 1 and open it in the TIA Portal main window. Since the hardware settings are pre-configured, the virtual PLC appears in the device configuration window. Click OBJ on the left window to view the network lines for project number 1. On the top menu bar, click on Line, Simulation, and Start. The S7-PLCSIM panel opens on the top right, allowing you to run, stop, or simulate virtual PLC IOs. The extended download to device window will transfer the project code to the virtual PLC. Select Ethernet network and click Load once the PLC is detected. In the Load Preview window, choose Consistent Download. The project code will be transferred to TIA Portal PLCSIM. Click Run P in the S7-PLCSIM panel to execute the program. Next, click Glasses to monitor the program's execution. Adjust the windows for better visibility for monitoring or execution. To simulate project number 1, observe how setting inputs affects outputs. Activating I/O turns Q0 on, and activating I1 turns Q1 on. Per the project's specification, I0 or I1 activates Q0 or Q1 to turn the motor clockwise or counterclockwise respectively. Activating I2 stops the program. Now let's add a virtual HMI for enhanced monitoring. Assuming you have already installed Vinc Flexible on your computer. In the Vinc Flexible main window, go to Project, Retrieve, and select the given zipped folder and click Open. Define a folder for extraction, and Vinc will locate and open the project code. As all settings for project number 1 are pre-configured. Click Run in the Vinc menu to view performance. Adjust windows for better visibility. Now you will see the program code on the left, the PLCSIM control panel on the top right, the Vinc runtime window at the bottom right. Clicking I0 activates Q0, and on the Vinc window, the clockwise contactor turns yellow, indicating the motor right coil connected to Q0 is active. Clicking I2 stops the program. Click Stop in the PLCSIM panel to stop execution. To close, click the X icons on all 3 programs in the top right of their respective windows. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.